Larry. Well, it's Friday and we got a big holiday sale this weekend and all through next week. And check out this 2025 Astoria, man, half-ton towable. 260RK, buddy.
What's the RK stand for?
Rear kitchen, man.
Rear kitchen.
So it's got a nice rear kitchen in the back, which we love that floor plan. That's very cool.
Oh, cool.
And you know, this is for our half-ton towables. And of course, you don't just have to have a half-ton to tow it. You can tow it with whatever the heck you want, as long as your truck's spec'd out for it.
Right.
So I'll tell you what, Larry, come on over here, and I really want to key in on this pass-through, how big it is.
But while we're here, look at those steps.
Yeah, these are your more rides.
More rides, step above.
Man. Fold it right in.
Yes.
And look at those pretty wheels, man.
Oh, look at the rim.
Yeah, they're nice. And by the way, Larry, of course, with Dutchmen products, you're going to get the 3-year structural limited warranty.
Oh, wow.
So it's a 1-year, 3-year. Your 1 year covers your unit. Your 3-year covers your structural.
Oh, check out the speakers. Got lights in the speakers.
Yeah, that's really cool, man. Got the blue speaker. So it must have a radio hidden somewhere in there. You know, I like that.
And LED lights up against the wall.
Yeah, which is nice instead of on your rollers like mine.
Right.
They tend to last a lot longer when they're like that. Plus, it's going to have your quick connect, so you can bring your entertainment outside for this rock and roll weekend we got coming up. And also, you got a spot back there, Larry, where you can put your grill. It comes with a little griddle.
Oh, okay.
And it plugs right into your propane.
Oh, cool.
Well, look at this pass-through, Larry. For a half-ton towable, man, there's no plumbing in the way. You know, no plumbing in the way, Larry. Look at that.
Wow. Oh, I like that strip going all the way across.
Yeah, so you got nice LED strip going all the way across. And, of course, you're going to have the aluminum structural framing. This is also going to come with the solar on the roof.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, so, I mean, that's just a huge pass-through.
But I can't believe no plumbing in the way.
30-foot, 32-foot RV. I mean, no plumbing in the way, Larry.
Wow.
Super cool, man. And then, you know, I know you like these current Roto Flex, man.
Yep.
So, like you guys know by now, this gives you less chucking going down the road, so it's going to work with you instead of just being firm all the time. Mm-hmm. So that's a super nice feature on this unit.
And then I believe the spare tire's in the front car pocket.
Yeah, it's very easy to get to, Larry, so it's just going to be right up here. Okay. Nice thing, too, man, this has a slam lock, so me and you both love. It's got the better key system in it, too. And the magnet, yeah. So like Larry said, on that magnet right here, and the slam, you slam it, you're done. The magnet up here holds it.
Man.
And while you're right there, Larry, this also, if you did want to add more solar, you could.
Okay.
So like we always talk about, you know, people get confused with solar. Me and Larry try to educate you. But the good thing about this is if this is parked in the shade like we all like to do when it's hot and 100 degrees like it is here.
Right.
You could take your little briefcase and put it out where the sun is so it is charging some of your system.
Exactly.
So that is a nice feature since it's already on there.
Okay.
Well, Larry, I can't wait to get on the inside of this sucker, man.
Let's show them the back real quick.
Oh, you want to do that? Okay.
Yeah, because it does have a ladder on it.
Oh, yeah, this does, man. Yeah, you're right, Larry. And I love the Astorias because look at that tow hitch. On a half-ton towable, you still got 3,000 pounds you can tow.
You can
from this sucker.
You can tow your boat.
You can tow your boat, your golf cart, your side-by-side. And
that's cool.
And I always say this. It's always got your plug-in already wired, man. So you just plug and go.
So you could pull a golf
cart behind absolutely. It's already prepped for your camera back here. And, of course, with this being a rear kitchen, you know, you're going to have exhaust in different spots on this thing. Nice window back here. And
I notice these 2 transom windows.
Yeah, so it's got 2 transom there. You got another window that opens here. So let's go on inside, man.
All right.
I'll tell you what, Larry, I'm getting the weekend started with a lazy boy, man.
Oh,
I'm sitting here relaxing, man, enjoying this beautiful RV. And I love that how I'm looking right now, Larry. I can see all those transom windows, but also I got the nice breeze on each side coming in.
And the blackout blinds.
And you have the blackout blinds. So, and I'll tell you another cool feature before I get up. You have all the storage down here, Larry.
That opens?
That opens, man. Regularly, they don't open, but I mean, you got a ton of storage down there. So let me get my butt up so I can show this cool rear kitchen off. Also, a nice feature, Larry, is all this storage, but not only that, but look at this. Soft close cabinets.
Oh, that's a nice
That's a nice one, man. Then it's got your 12-volt Furrion. So you're going to have your 12-volt Furrion refrigerator.
Oh, cool.
And of course, that goes outside. That's your spray port. Quick connect, so you can spray off your feet and your furry friends.
Look at all the cabinets, though.
Yeah, and then while you're up here, Larry, you got one of our favorite, man. It's got the rain sensors.
Oh,
your power exhaust fan, man.
Yes.
Super cool. So like I was saying, Larry, this is a rear kitchen. So you got your nice big farm sink that overhangs stainless steel. You got windows all the way around the kitchen. And this window actually opens too. So when you're in here, kitchen, steaming it up or whether, you can let the exhaust out there and with your fan.
And it's a seamless countertop.
Seamless countertop. And then also, Larry, you'll notice it has speakers in here. So I'm going to find my stereo somewhere in here in a minute.
Okay.
But this is another cool feature. I hit on this a lot because it makes a big difference. A lot of RVs you go into right here is your plumbing. It's all in the way. You can't get a trash can in there. You can't store your chemicals that you clean with or whatever. This, you can put a trash can. You can put your stuff to clean in there or whatever the heck you want.
The big thing is having a place.
But there you go with that soft
can.
close. Super nice. This is going to have your Furrion microwave. Super common microwave in RVs.
You know what I call those.
Yeah, popcorn microwave. Then we got your 3-burner stove. And this one actually has a small oven in it. A little pizza oven like me and Larry call. And I still haven't forgot to cook that pizza yet.
Right.
But that's even getting rare to find in RVs anymore.
It is.
So this is a 2025. So like I said, we kickstarted off early here with 25s at Chesapeake RV Solutions.
Also, you got the Tower of Power in the
That's my favorite. Throw your daggone phone up there, wireless charger, I'll bring it up and plug in your blenders, whatever you need, toaster. But check this out, Larry. This has a huge fireplace, man. Ooh, that's a big boy.
Feels like it's on today.
It does feel like it's on, man. If they only knew what we do for these videos, man. But not only that, you got this above it. Look at that drawer.
You know, that's the catch-all.
Yeah, I mean, come on, man. You throw everything in there, man. That's really cool. And it does come with this nice TV. So what is that, about 42-inch, 40?
It's got to be at least a 40.
Yeah, so you got a nice
pull it out.
swivel
Let's
there.
see. I'm sitting here at the dinette.
That's got to be at least a 40,
Pull it
man.
out. Let's see what we got.
Yeah, let's see. So, I mean, I can put that wherever you want, buddy.
I'm sitting in the corner of the dinette right now.
Yeah, you probably see it in the bedroom. I mean, it goes that far around. I mean, if you're in here cooking, you need to watch a cooking show, man, you can watch a cooking show and cook.
There you go.
So, yeah, that's really cool. And that does come with it. So since you're down here by this dinette, Larry, this is a unique dinette, man.
Now, I call it half of you.
Yeah. So, well, it's actually a smart idea because our number one complaint with dinettes, as me and you both know, is the little teeny pedestal poles.
Oh.
They just wobble. I mean, they wobble,
they
dude. This actually has 2 ways here that you can secure this sucker. And then another nice feature is, Larry, look at this. You push it down to any height you want, lock it in.
Oh, wow.
So if I want to lock it in, I lock it in, I'm good, buddy.
Oh, that's cool.
Yeah, I know. So that's neat. Or it'll swivel around if you need it to. But I mean, that's just a cool feature. Then talking about cabinetry, you've got more, buddy.
Wow.
I mean, there's tons of storage in this unit. And we ain't even got to the master bedroom. And I love how it kind of gives you that barn look, man. This whitewash finish in here.
This is a perfect couples unit.
Oh my God, yeah, this is the great couples unit, man. The people that want to get out there and do some camping this fall, man. I mean, this would make them
even some extended season camping because this is all season.
All season, so this all year round, man. And it's a light unit, and it'll fit in the state parks because of the length. That's a big plus, Larry. And we'll go over there again. This has my favorite steps, the floating steps. Kick your shoes off, hide them underneath there. But look, it even has the light, so you don't fall, man.
I like those.
That's really
a nice touch.
That is. And then it has our grab handle that me and you both like.
And that's pretty secure.
No, that sucker's in there. Yeah. This is actually a decent shower, Larry. It does have the nice glass 3-piece doors, which I do like. They slide on a track. Very nice. You can move around in here. I mean, turn around, wash yourself. It's got pretty high ceiling.
Skylight for them tall individuals.
Yep. And then also, Larry, in here you'll see that it does have the on-demand hot water heater.
Oh.
You set it and forget it.
Yes,
so you put it to the hot temperature you want, and you're good to go.
That is cool.
Toilet's in the right spot. And I love this wood that they did back here. You got your octopus hangers. Larry, I tell you what, look at, for a half-ton towable fifth wheel, look at that closet here, man. I mean, the size of this sucker, dude.
That's more like a full profile closet.
And all day long, man. I mean, you got your rod for hanging your clothes. You got a plug outlet in there. You got storage up top of here. And then also, Larry, this is not a queen. This is a king size bed in this sucker, brother. Wow. So, I mean, this is a big bed, but there's a slide out and a half-ton towable. Yes. Most half-ton towables don't really have slide outs because they're the weight. Yeah. We all know that. But we'll get to the weight. It's very light on this one. You're going to have your east to west windows that me and Larry always tell you, man, that is a nice plus on these nights, man. USB ports. USB on both sides.
On either side.
Then you're going to have your little cup holders up here. You know, you put your cups up here, drinks, whatever in the morning.
Cell phone?
Cell phone. That's a great place for your cell phone, Larry. And then I tell you what, you got your dresser right here, Larry, right in front of your window that I do have open because it's hot here. It's muggy.
Leave your bottom open, though, for shoes.
They do, man. That's pretty cool. Like I said, you know, it's pretty deep. Not the deepest we've seen, but I mean, still nice deep drawers.
Well, I know mine drawers.
They close
that
nice.
Little one on the side. That's
right. It. And this does have your outlet up here and your coax, so you can put another TV in here, which we don't mind installing, you know. So we'll take care of that for you. Look at this, Larry.
Oh, a second AC.
Second AC, buddy.
This ain't but 31 foot.
31 foot. And then when we get to towing behind your vehicle, only about 27 foot. Right. With 2 ACs. And we know how good fifth wheels tow. Wow. So, I mean, now the big kicker on this sucker, Larry, look at this right here, man. More closet, dressers, you name it, buddy. 3 of them here. But
plenty of space in there.
You have a place for a combination washer and dryer combo in there, man.
Oh, and there's a receptacle on this side of the bed.
There's a receptacle. So, yeah, a lot of people, you know, have CPAP machines like myself. Oh, plus, Larry, look, it's got a hanging rod, too. Okay. So you hang your shirts up in here. Yeah. But, yeah, so you do have where you could plug your CPAP machine in and use that if you need it. Soft close drawers again.
But that's actually nice. This having drawers here, having drawers there.
No, that's a big plus. No, I even see the big boys don't put this much in a small unit. You know, this is incredible, man. But Larry, we still got more room in here.
Oh no!
Check this out, buddy. Look how easy that went up.
Oh wow!
Well, look at this. Real wood, buddy, not particle board.
It's not particle board.
Nah, then they compress with that super glue or whatever the heck they use, man. And not only that, Larry, but they took the time to put like an anti-slip in here.
Oh, so that way, felt or whatever it's called.
Yeah, so that way when you're going down the road, your stuff's not banging all against here and stuff. Yeah. And of course, that's where your griddle is, your pre-seasoned cast iron griddle that goes on top.
50 amp cord there.
Yep, your cord. You just need to start putting them in boxes before they just throw them in here. Yeah. It's pretty cool. But I'll tell you what, everybody's probably want to know what's the price, what sale we doing on this sucker. So I'll tell you what, we'll get to that. We'll get to that. Weight's very important.
Yes, sir.
But come on, Larry, we'll go check that out.
All right, Frank. How much is this going to hurt me now?
I'll tell you what, Larry. Let's hold off on that. Let me go over the length of the weight with you first.
Weight does make a difference.
You know, that's a big, that's number one thing that's pretty much, really.
For a half-ton towable.
Yeah, so it's 31. That's from the kingpin to the back.
But 31 foot. Towing,
you're only going to tow about 27 foot of RV down the road. And I mean, that's really small for a big RV.
Yes.
And then 8240 is your weight, Larry.
We got some travel trailers heavier than that.
We do. So that's super light.
Wow.
And 2 slide outs. So
yes, the bedroom slide.
Right. So I told you, they somehow engineered it to keep the weight down, which is nice, man. So, like you, like me, we're payment buyers, Larry. Right. $363 a month.
Oh my gosh.
For this RV.
That is incredible.
It is very incredible.
Wow.
I tell you what, so MSRP is $73,244 on this unit. We have
73?
73, Larry. We have slashed this down to $42,258.
Remarkable.
And this is not a 24, guys. This is a 2025. Jump on the bandwagon, get ahead of the ball game. I mean, you're 6-7 months away. Come on. You know, so get ahead of the ball game. And like me and Larry always tell you, no reasonable offer is refused. So I mean,
good right out the gate.
So that's what we're doing, man. Yeah. We're coming out the gate strong here at Chesapeake RV Solutions. We want our customers to be satisfied and feel like they got the best deal possible.
We ain't gonna play any games.
We don't play games, man.
Right.
You know, we treat our customers like family because they are family to us.
We treat them the way we would want to be treated.
Absolutely, man. So I tell you what, we got an open house this weekend. Y'all come out and see me and Larry. And I tell you what, we really appreciate y'all if you would share, like, and subscribe to our YouTube channel.
Also, one thing that you said last time, hey, let us know if there's one that you want to have us do a video of.
Oh,
just let us know.
Absolutely, man. Or if you guys want to learn something about a unit, we will get Tim, or we'll get Sam, our tech, or me and Larry probably know it. I mean, we're around them enough. So I'll tell you what, because we're both RVers, 90% of our staff at Chesapeake RV Solutions own RVs. So that's what makes us different.
I'll be going out next weekend.
I know you will. You'll be coming down to my neck of the woods, man. You're coming to Carolina. Watch out. Hey, look, man, y'all have a great holiday weekend, and God bless, and come out and see me and Larry.
Thank you.